Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Nissan Murano. This two-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 62,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.